Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
Mirnow is the game changer startup that is revolutionizing the cancer detection process by detecting the disease at a very early stage by taking blood samples. Let's know all about it from the founder herself, Dr. Garima Jain.
Mirnao is a startup where we are developing blood-based cancer detection test. Generally, cancer is a disease which we detect very late in the stage, and as we go later in the stages of cancer, the chances of survival decreases. Therefore, it is very important to detect the cancer at early stage. Here at Mirnao, that is our objective, that we detect the cancer really early stage, and for this we have identified few biomarkers. Those biomarkers then are being analyzed through our machine learning algorithm and AI. Later the cancer is detected, lesser are the survival chances, and therefore in diseases like cancer, early detection is really important. We at Mirnao have a sole objective of detecting cancer really early stage. This is what we are doing here. We are detecting cancer through our discovered biomarkers and our proprietary machine learning algorithm that classify the samples as malignant or benign. So we collect patient samples and healthy blood samples. From the blood samples, we isolate RNAs. RNAs are our source of biomarkers. We have identified few biomarkers on the RNA, and those RNAs are then looked up using RT-PCR based methods. Those RT-PCR based data then goes into the machine learning where we identify the samples. So what impact we are creating is, as you know, in India there are 14 lakhs of death every year because of cancer, and some cancers like prostate cancer, breast cancer, if they are detected early, the survival chances are 95%, whereas when they are detected late, the survival chances reduce to 20 or 19 or 15% even. And therefore the detection of the cancer when it is localized is very important. So we started working on prostate cancer only. For prostate cancer, we have achieved 90% of accuracy with our test. We are ready to go in the market with the developed test. We are using a chip-based multiplexing system to detect the biomarkers from the blood itself, so that patient does not have to undergo the pain of the biopsy and MRI and other invasive procedures. We have been thoroughly supported with the government grants till now. All the work that we have done till date was completely supported by government funds, by BIREC, by MSME grants. All those grants really helped us to achieve and validate our idea on the real clinical samples. Our mentors at BHU has supported us, given us freedom to work, and also gave us mentorship on how to move forward. We developed one test which is for the prostate cancer. In future, we would like to develop tests on other cancers as well. We started working on breast cancer. We have started collecting samples for other kind of cancers. In far future, we see ourselves as a multi-cancer early detection test startups. We would be first in India to do so, and we are really looking forward to achieve this goal. I think India is becoming now a hub for startups. The ecosystem in India is so suitable for a startup that anyone who is entering into the field is getting support from somewhere or the other, from government, from VC funding, private funders are there. So whole ecosystem has been developed to support such a startup. It's a really good time to start your entrepreneur journey, and I think the whole idea is to be patient, to stick to your idea, to have belief, a firm belief in your idea that you can do it, and whatever you are doing is making a translational impact on the general population of India and outside. So the basic thing is that if you do research, be it in the lab, and it is of no use, whether if it does not come out in the market or in the translational research. So my suggestion is to do translational research from where we can make some product. That product can be then used by the general public for their benefits, and giving you money is additional benefit of that. I have been working as a researcher, then moving the complete brain shifting from a research perspective to a market perspective has been difficult for me. We have faced challenges in collecting samples from different medical institutes. There is a gap in India still existing where the research is seen separately from the medical entity. We have personally felt this gap, but were not able to fill it. I really look forward to fill up this gap sometime in my journey. For the female entrepreneurs, my only message is don't give up. You have more strength than any other. Just be patient, keep on working, and I think the whole ecosystem is there to support us.